this is Pat Walker at Mission Winners. The markets are volatile right now. There's a lot of bad news out there. We know about COVID-19. We know about how it's spread all over, literally, most of the world. First point I want to make to you is this. Please, and I say this from my heart, please take care of yourself. Please be careful. Please wash your hands. Please keep your distance from other people. And I know you've heard that a lot, but I can't stress that enough. There are people out there that really care about you. And it could be your family. It could be friends, coworkers, whatever. And so just really take care of yourself. You're listening to an individual who's had some real scares in his lifetime. So I know what it's like to be concerned. I just want to pass that on. You can say, what's that have to do with stocks? Well, folks, I'm going to be really honest. There's far more to life than stocks. There is. You can say, oh, Pat, that's heresy with what you're talking about, what you do. No, there's bigger picture thoughts. But there's also something else important. We are all given a limited amount of time, and we don't know how long it is. So what are we going to do with that time? We need to use it, and we need to use it wisely. Again, the longest hour, right, is 60 minutes, 24 hours in a day. What are you going to do with it? The people that use their time wisely are the leaders, the movers, the shakers. When everybody else is binge watching crud on Netflix, and there's some good stuff on Netflix, okay? Others are doing some work. Who are you? And I know we need to relax too. That's very, very important. But it's also important while we're here with the time we have to use it, to improve ourselves, to be better. Because think about this. While you're working on something, honing your skills, the other person's out playing tennis. Nothing wrong with tennis. I love tennis too, but might as well make good use of our time. That's what makes people better. It's what sets people apart. Might as well do it. So again, we can watch Netflix or we can invest in ourselves. How are you going to invest your time? Just need to share this. That's something very important. So what are we going to do? We're going to have a meeting coming up here for everybody. I'm showing you this. Slack off, goof off, binge watch. There's a video here that you can watch. First session, Sunday night, March 29th, 7:30, all time, Central Daylight Time, okay? That's where we're at. We are going to have a meeting, and I'm going to talk about how to use your time wisely, how to find good stocks, how to set yourself apart from others, how to not be dependent on other people, that you can run the show yourself. And that's huge. And it's not an ego thing. It's the idea of, folks, I'm going to be really blunt. You hook into a guru and, oh man, that person's the best thing since sliced bread. And then they quit. Or they get sick, whatever. They're gone. You're no better off. If you didn't learn anything, you're no better off than if you've never found them. That's why I love teaching, coaching, instructing how to find stocks, how to find super stocks, how to set yourself apart from others. A lot of people say, well, I'm going to find some great stocks. But they never sit there and say, well, I don't even know what the heck to look for. All right? I don't know where to go with this. Well, here's some foundations for you. You will find, and this is quantifiable, you will find the vast majority of stocks that make great moves. And I'm like, oh, it went up 4 points. I don't give a rip about 4 points. I want to find stocks that can make huge moves over time. Weeks, days, months. Just let them work. No day trading. And you will find this, and this is a fact. The vast majority of stocks have earnings up 40% or higher the last quarter, the last reported quarter. The vast majority of stocks have sales up on average 40% or higher for 2 quarters. The vast majority of stocks are in the top 20 to 30 groups. The vast majority of stocks are within 20% of 52-week highs. I'm giving you the recipe on how to make a great cake so that you can run it. You can run it yourself. That's what sets you apart. I'll show you a couple here just to drive home the point. Look at this. Look at the buy. Nice, clean, and simple buy. Volume pickup. And it makes a nice move. That's what we're looking for. Here's another one. Wix. These were all keyless stocks. Look at Wix. Lift through there. Just a nice, clean, and simple move with low stress. You don't have to sit there and watch every tick on the dang thing. No 5-minute charts. Rarely 10-minute charts. Weekly, daily, hourly, maybe 30-minute. It makes life easy. Look at this. Plan. Buy here. Maneuvered around a little bit and then made the march. But look at that volume. I say this all the time. People talk with their mouths and vote with their pocketbooks. Guess what? They voted on that bar and made a really nice move. Look at this. And here's the last one. There's countless more, but we'll stop here. These were all keyless stocks. You can say, what? It had 12 to, near 20. Now you're not going to sell at the top. Hey, 12 to 18? Last time I checked, 50% in 4.5 to 5 weeks on your money. And notice the trend up the 8-period exponential moving average. Is that a thing of beauty? This stock never closed below the 8-day till right there. That's good money. Trends pay. So again, with the time that you have, we're going to sit here and just hang out, binge watch Netflix? Are we going to invest in ourselves? The leaders, the ones that take the initiative to set themselves apart from others, well, guess what they are? They're the leaders that you read about. You're like, wow, look at that. That's amazing. Think of great athletes. While everybody else is out horsing around, they're taking free throws. While everybody else is horsing around, they are hitting golf balls, or they're hitting baseballs, or they're practicing their throwing. Over and over, we refine those skills so that when you're on the field, in the game, guess what? You're better than the competition. And it's not an ego thing. It's just the idea of, with the time that we're given, why don't we use it right? So that's what we're going to do. We're going to have a meeting here. Love to have you there. We're going to go in and we're going to nuts and bolts it hardcore on how to do this. I hope you all can make it, and I promise this. It'll be worth your time. When they talk about thou shalt not steal, you can steal possessions, you can steal things, you can steal money. How about this one? Steal time. Steal time. Can you steal somebody's time? Yeah. Well, guess what, folks? I'm not going to steal your time. I'm going to lay the cards on the table. We'll make it worth your while. And we're going to hit it, and we're going to hit it hard.